This is an ideal recipe for summer where you grilled your fish, your shrimps, your turkey, grill everything grillable. Welcome to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. Today's video will show you how I grill this yummy chicken. With no further ado, let's cook. I will be using chicken thighs. You can also call it the lap. I'll be using three. I'll go ahead to cut off the skin. For some people, they like eating the skin, but for me, I don't like it. So just go ahead to remove the skin and I will show you the next thing to do. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So after removing the skin, I went ahead to wash it off the camera. Now I will go ahead to pat this up with kitchen towel, making sure that the ingredient we'll be using will penetrate very well. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new here, you are welcome. If this is the first time you're coming across this video on channel, you are welcome. In here, you will love it and I will give you a wholesome content. Thank you. So guys, after patting everything dry, I'll just go ahead to make some opening slit or incision on the chicken. I'll just go ahead to cut it open little by little so that the ingredient I will be using can penetrate inside the chicken. Thank you guys for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. So guys, after that, now I'll be adding all my ingredients. I'll go ahead to add the soya pepper. This is the first ingredient I'll be adding. This is optional. Then I'll go ahead to add my paprika pepper. Next, I'll be adding some curry powder. And thereafter, I'll go ahead to add some onion flakes. I didn't see the blended one, so I used this one. Then I'll go ahead to add some salt. And then I will be adding garlic and ginger paste. This is optional. And then I'll go ahead to add some no cube. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll go ahead to add some chili oil. This is also optional. For this chili oil, you can substitute it with ketchup. So guys, I'll just go ahead to use my hand, which I have washed already, to rub it and making sure that everything, all the ingredients enter into the chicken. I marinated it for some minutes. Now I'll just go ahead to place this chicken thigh into my baking pan with parchment paper. I will bake this for 180 degree 45 to 50 minutes. After that, this is what we have. Guys, this recipe is so easy and simple to put together. Will you be trying this? If you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section. So I went ahead to make some stew and fried some potato alongside with this. It was so yummy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.